helicopters at the end over here. Of course, they need to hover. Stand still in the air, if you will. But although our pilot today, David Gregorius, is making this look easy, it is not. Flying sideways now, looking at you. While I can't hear applause, I can see appreciation. Give them a big wave. They're all truly lucky. And our flight engineer on the side there has the helicopter is being pirouetted. The flight management system is not helping the pilot do this. He is moving all the controls down. The helicopter pilots have both hands filled and both feet on the pedal.